Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the types of variables in JavaScript. So first we will see these two types and these two things, and then we will talk about the scope and what is hoisting. So if you see for the variable, it can be redeclared and it can be reassigned. Means we can use a variable like a can be a number, or we can also make it as like we are doing here is various number, and we can also do it like where a can be a string. Okay, so we can do this with the where, but we can't do these things with the late and const. It can be redeclared. Okay, so I have redeclared, this is the redeclaration, and both the things we can reassign. Again we can reassign, like here we can give a equal to any other things we can give here, like JavaScript. So we can do this also, but in case of let, we can't redeclare. Means we can't do like this, let b equals 5 7, and let b equals, even we can't 9. So these things we cannot do this, so it is not applicable for var. To redeclare again, we can reassign. Means we can be equal to, only we can give like 1, but this is totally fine, but this is not fine. And in case of const, what we can't do on the both the things, like we cannot even reassign. But in case of object, and in case of array, we can change the value of that array and the object fields, so it is applicable. We will see in a practical example. So what is the scope? A scope is the function block, and here is the for constant, it is block. Means here is, this is the function I have declared. Okay, this is the function. If I will use here any condition, and I have declared here one var equal to a equal to 5, I can get it here, I can console it here, log, here is 5. So I can console it here. Okay, I can console it here. But in case of late and const, if here it is the late, okay, so we can't console it here, we will get the error, so that means the const is a block scope in the curly braces, where it has been declared and where it has been assigned, and by default it is also assigned. So what it happen is, it is the block scope. Means there is a concept called hoisting is in the picture comes, and what it happen is, for late and const, variable are hosted to the top of the block. To the top of the block means here the variable and late and const will host here. Okay, and for the where where will be hosted here, which is the functional scope. That means it is the functional scope, it is the block scope, and this is the concept called hoisting. So hoisting happens for all three. We will see it in an example. So I will open here and I will HTML. Here it is the heading, and in the body section I will write something like s1 variables. Here I will create one JavaScript block, and here I will write one function, which is the message, and we can write anything, message or message, we will keep it as message. And here we will write something. If true, then here I am going to declare three variables. First one is var a equal to 5, let b equals to 7, const c equal to 10. And now I will all console.log, and we will see like a comma b comma c, and I will call this function here so that when our code will run, when we will run this file, this code will execute. So I am going to execute it, run it on Chrome. What is happening? Now I have run this, and we will inspect and we will see the result. And you can see here 5, 7 and 10 we are getting. Okay, we will try the another thing. We will try after this block, and we will try to access it. Okay, we will see what is happening. I will refresh it, and you can see here b is not defined. Okay, so for the b we are getting the error. I will remove b and I will keep c. Again I will get the answer. I will get the error like c is not defined. I will refresh it. Here is c is not defined because c is constant, b is late. So these are the block scope, means here it has been, when we are running, it has been hosted, and that is why. And for the where it is hosted in the functional block here on the top of the function, so that is why a is accessible, b is not accessible, and c is also not accessible. And another thing is we can redeclare, where we can redeclare a equal to, let's say, 9, and we will run it again and we will see. I am commenting it so that we will get our answers. So we are getting 9 and 7, you can see. And I will try to redeclare b equal to, let's say, 11. And now you can see the compile time error we are getting, like cannot declare the block scope variable b. Okay, number. So this is for const, we, it will be the same thing for the const 12, and you can see cannot redeclare block scope variable c in JavaScript. So these things are not valid. Okay, I am removing it, but we can be equal to, I will keep it as b equal to 11, and now it will work. You can see here. We'll try for the c equal to 13, and you can see it is not changing. So this is how variable works. You know the where is the functional scope, late is the block scope, const is the block scope. It can be redeclared and reassigned. Late cannot be redeclared, but it can be reassigned. Const cannot be redeclared and reassigned. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, follow the upcoming React.js fundamentals video and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.